If you've got a photograph in Photopea and you want to change the color of a specific object within that photograph, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. It's a very simple process. So let's get into it. So we've got this beautiful classic piece of machinery right over here, and we don't quite like the red. So we're going to go over to the right hand side and we're going to look for that new adjustment layer. We're going to click on this. And we are going to look for the hue saturation option. So once you have selected this option, you'll see over here, it has come up in your layers. We're going to right click on that and go down and look for a clipping mask. So what will essentially happen from here is the clipped mask is actually only going to affect the layer that that arrow is pointing to. Okay, so if you have more than one layer, it'll only affect that specific layer. So we're going to make sure that this icon over here, the properties, is open, and you're looking for this range over here. Now the master represents the entire image, and each color over here represents what specifically you would like to change. So in my case, it's red, but there are a couple other colors. And if you're finding that there's a color in your image that is not listed here, you'll have to select the color that is closest to. And if it doesn't work, select then the next color that is closest to and see which works better. Now I'm going to select red, and over here where it says sample hue, you want to make sure that you are selecting that color picker, and you want to select a part of your image that is most of the color that you would like to change. So we're going to click down here. We're going to select a color on our image, and from here you're going to the hue, and you can change this dial and it'll change the color of your object. As you can see here, we've made it purple. This will make it somewhat of a blue. We can make it green if we'd like. We can make it greener, and we can make it blue. Now, with the saturation and the lightness, you can also adjust that so that the image can be adjusted in according to your needs. Once you're done, you're going to go up to the left hand side, hit file, and you're going to export your image to your device. If this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time. Peace.